Hello everyone, welcome to ETU-Link's lecture hall. I'm a professional optical module engineer. Today, we will introduce to you the writing code process of optical module.
Double-click Code Guide. Click Next. Select Time to SFP. Click Open ID. Browse to the code final that need to write. Click Yes. Input 50 in delay. Input D6F3 9F74 in password. Insert the module on the coding board. Click Write and will show write to successful. Click Open ID. Browse to the code final. Click Yes. Insert the module on the coding board. Input 51534650 in password. Click Write and will show write to successful. Select Type to SFP or SFP Plus. Click Open ID. Browse to the code final. Click Yes. Insert the module on the coding board. Input 61307839 in password. Select Mode to EEPROM. Click Write and will show write to successful. Click Open ID. Browse to the code final. Click Yes. Click Open EEP. Browse to the code final. Click Yes. Input 31313131 in password. Select Mode to Stream iPhone C. Insert the module on the coding board. Click Write and will show write to successful.
That's all for the process introduction of the writing code. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!